Greetings, mathematicians. Today we're going to be restricting the domain on a function on the TI-84 plus CE. So our function, let's say if we wanted, for example, x squared, so let's look at the quadratic parent function. When we graph it, there's the graph of it. If we went to second table, there's the table of values from it. And I actually want from -5 to +5 because I'm going to go back to those values in just a moment. But I want to restrict the function. So in order to do that, we're actually going to go to y equals as for a function editor. In the math menu, the very last option, or next to the last option, which is easier to just hit the up arrow twice, be piecewise. If you hit enter there, and depending on the number of pieces that we want, if we just wanted to restrict one function, it would just be one piece. And then enter goes down to OK, hit enter to OK again. Notice we have our box here in order to the first one with our function, the second one with the restriction. So our function, let's do the same one, the quadratic parent function x squared. Let's go to the next box template here. And what's nice about piecewise is that you can put in the inequality as a compound inequality. So let's say, for example, -2. Second math takes us to our test menu. And we're going to do the less than, option 5, less than x. And one more inequality. This time we're going to do less than or equal to. And then we're going to go -2 to +2. So based off of this inequality, we should not have a value when x is -2, but we should have a value when x is 2. So if you wanted to, you can hit enter, save it in there, and hit graph. Notice there's our quadratic parent function with the restriction from -2 to +2, but I do want to focus on the table. Notice when x is -2, it shows error because the function is not defined there. But for +2, there is a value of 4. And that's how you can restrict the domain on functions on TI-84 plus CE.